Overnight, Ian.
Stress Hurricane Ian.
Hurricane Ian.
Hurricane Ian continues.
Ian.
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 Ian. Okay, Fox weather correspondent. In
We started this repair business during the recession and ended after a devastating storm. For the last 11 years, our repair shop provided electronic repair service to our community as well as the snowbirds that visit yearly. Some of our oldest customers came from Canada each year. Hurricane Ian was a lot more than we all expected. It completely destroyed hundreds of homes just in our small town, tore down buildings that stood even through Hurricane Charlie. It has displaced thousands. With that being said, with a heavy heart, we have decided to close our doors and move our small business into our home. We were taking an old shed and working on converting it into a new office where we will continue to work on customers' repair. If you have any device that need a repair, please contact us. We will be providing a mobile repair option as well as mail-in. It would greatly help us with this rebuilding process. If you're local, please contact us as our phone number has not changed. We'll do our best to repair your device as fast as possible with the same accuracy, honesty, and professionalism that we have for the last 11 years. We thank you for your continued trust in our company during this new chapter.